Hi, SD Study World. How are you, dear friends? Let's today talk about combining like terms. We are going to work on little tricky questions. And for this, the Mool mantra is if you can count apples, you can definitely combine like terms. So let's get started. Whenever we have to add or subtract the like terms, it is always important to remember that we always add or subtract the coefficients. We add or subtract the coefficients depending upon our terms. So the very first task is to figure out the like terms. In order to do that, let's check our variable and its power. The variable here is a and the power is 1. That means minus 10a is a like term with 9a. Then comes plus 2ab. Since here no coefficient is written, I can write plus 1ab minus 6. Minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1a. Plus 2a plus 1a, b is 3ab minus 6. So this becomes your answer where we combined all the like terms. Step number 1, always write down the like terms together. Step number 2, you solve all of them and always make sure that you have taken care of all the terms. Minus 10a, 9a, then 2ab plus 1ab, and then the constant. Let's take a look at the next question. In this question, I can see here x has a power of 2. So let's first write down all the like terms together. 4x square minus 1x square, then plus 2x. Why am I writing plus 2x? Because x here has no power. So we are going to check, is there any other term where x has a power of 1? No, there is no such term. Then we can say minus 7, that's a constant, plus 9. Why do I put out these check marks on the top? To make sure that I have taken care of all the terms. Do not forget any term because the moment you forget a term, the answer will be wrong. Now I have written the like terms together. Let's work on them. Plus 4 minus 1 is 3x square plus 2x minus 7 plus 9 is plus 2. So that's your answer here. 3x square plus 2x plus 2. Simplifying expressions again by combining like terms. Question number 3. That is minus 5a. I am going to find the term that again has a, that is 7a plus 7a plus 8a, followed by plus 4ab plus 1ab minus 5. So minus 5 plus 7a is 2a. If you want, you can solve in one step. If you feel like that you have to write or solve one step at a time, feel free to do so. I can here easily combine 4 plus 1, 5ab minus 5. See, dear friends, you always have to remember these are the concepts that you can start enjoying. When do you enjoy these steps? When you understand every step of the process. We are bringing the like terms together. Here we are now left with 2a plus 8a, that is 10a plus 5ab minus 5. Since here I had nothing to do with the constant, there is only one term, hence it becomes minus 5. Let's take a look at the last question, that is 11c plus 2c plus 1c, followed by 5d plus 4d. Now let's solve the c's. In the previous question, we showed how to do it in two different steps. In this question, let's take a look how we can do it in one step. 11 plus 2, 13 plus 1, 14c, and 5d plus 4d is 9d. So 14c plus 9d. I hope you all have understood this concept. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Feel free to post any question or comment the topic you want to learn next. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you know next time when we post a video. Enjoy the show and keep learning. Bye bye.